Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. So you finally got the Ninja set up the exact way you want it. The old lady's comfortable with the top case on the back of it, but you have a problem. When you go hang out with the boys, they want to make fun of you about your sport touring. That's emphasis on touring and not so much sport. So with a handful of tools and something in this Kawasaki box shown right here, we're going to take the Ninja from touring back to sport. So let's get into it. Alright, first things first, we gotta get the side cases off and the top case off and the bracket off. You need 13mm wrench, 13mm socket, 5mm Allen key, and a little drill or hand tools, whatever you prefer, and of course a knife to open the box. So the advantages of the mono key system. Gotta love it. Alright, and I've shown this in other videos, but we got 13mm socket, and sorry if you can't see it, but that's where the 5mm is, and then there's a nut on the other side that makes it 13 as well. Alright, you may think you're in sport mode now, but we got one more thing to add, and that's what's in the box. Let's open the box. Alright guys, let's hope UPS didn't fail me again. Uh-oh, looks like we got stuff we got to put together. I was expecting it all to be together already. We got a bracket, and this will be the cover. Woo, that green is so pretty. God, that looks good. Looks like a Transformer's head though. Hopefully there's nothing too crazy with this. Probably should look at the instructions in a minute, but can't be too hard. Couple brackets, some hardware. You gotta go somewhere else to get the instructions. Alright, let's hit the pause button. Let me look at the instructions so I do this right. And I'll tune back in. Probably put a little soap on this stuff and it'd be easier. So there's all the easy stuff. That's a damper, that's a damper, bracket. Looks like we'll need a number 10. Wait. It's only logical that these washers will go there for those two. Could be wrong, but I don't think I am. Don't need to go too tight because this is metal, but you know, the plastic, don't want to break it. So now where would these dampers go? The dampers got to go on the plastic somewhere. I bet we'll figure it out in a minute. I bet you the damper's going to go there. Maybe there and there. Alright guys, and there it is. The Sport is back capitalized, and the Touring is all lowercase now. What do you think? I love this emerald green. Yep, officially invited back to bike night. Alright guys, let me know your thoughts on the rear seat cowl. If you like it, if you don't like it. Is it worth 245 bucks? No. But does it look cool? Yes. So, alright guys, y'all be good, ride safe, stay safe, be blessed. We'll see you in the next one.